So hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about ASO UNA stock and the key levels to watch November 21, 2025. In last trading session we saw 2.92% down move. Per bearish candle closed at $11.29. So the first key support level is $10.95. If the price goes below $10.95, it could test $9.69. The key resistance level is $13.71. If the price breaks above $13.71, it could test $15.27. That's my view on ASO UNA stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.